There are various versions of obtaining state model. Okay.
State variable.
So you can obtain the SS model. SS model can be obtained in three different ways by using physical variable in the sense last class like we have discussed in our problems we were using voltage current as physical variables, but instead of physical variables you can make use of phase variables also. Okay, so you need to know what is the difference between using physical variables and phase variables. The thing is, if you are, as you are seeing in this problem, you are having a what system representation here. System is given in terms of what? What is this actually? Pushottam is in has kept his mic unmuted. I am able to see the horn and all in the street. Pushottam, mute your mic. Okay, so what is given in the problem? What sort is given? D squared y is what sort of equation? Very good. Okay. So given equation is having a differential equation. This is a third order differential equation. If this is the case, if they are asking you to obtain the state model, then what you need to do is you are going to consider the output and its derivatives. Output and derivatives, if you are taking as a state variable, then that will be called a state space model obtained using phase variables. So this I wanted to tell you. So let me skip this. You can solve the problem as all on your own. So this is called as my state diagram representation. That is nothing but simple block diagram that I am drawing with the help of the output state space model that I have obtained. That is called state diagram representation. So problem solution you can do it on your own, same way that you are proceeded in the earlier class that we have to proceed here also. Now next important topic from which problems can come is on the basis of state transition matrix. So state transition matrix is given by e power at or phi of t. So there are various methods that are involved for obtaining the state transition matrix. So problems may come from this spot also. So in short, I will try to explain how to get the solution of the state equation in the terms of state transition matrix and what are the various methods and what are the various properties. Sometimes in MCQ they will ask you what are the various properties. So properties you have to know. These are the various properties. I already told you that e power at or phi of t is your state transition matrix. So the properties are four in number. The first property states that if you are substituting t is equal to 0 in e power at or phi of t, then it will be equivalent to the unit matrix. That is your first property. The next thing is if you are saying or if you are taking the inverse of e power minus at, then it will satisfy this property. Okay, that relationship, that is the second property. And finally, if there are two A system matrix that are given, And if you have been asked to combinedly obtain the state transition matrix, then you can multiply the individual things. So as per that property, you are having third one. So this might be asked sometimes in MCQs. So you need to remember the properties of the state transition matrix. Other things, derivation and all is not asked actually. So far I have not seen such questions, so I'm going to skip it. Two methods with the help of which you will be able to obtain the state transition matrix only I will be discussing now. So as I've already told you, e power 8 is your state transition matrix. So e power 80 is my state transition matrix, otherwise represented by phi of t, that is called as my state transition matrix. How to compute it is the question. There are two methods actually, either by
Ma'am, your
using
voice
matrix
is lagging,
exponential
ma'am.
method or using Laplace transformer. There is a net problem here. I think it's a Google Meet problem. Okay, so you have to. I was thinking of giving a Zoom meet. You are having Zoom software with you.
Yes, ma'am. Correct. You ask
Yes,
everyone.
Are
ma'am.
you having a Zoom platform?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will fix it in Zoom. I think there is a Google Meet problem from morning. It's like this only.
Ma'am, you send Zoom link in WhatsApp group. Ma'am. I
It will
will.
take some time. Let me check how my voice is there in the other system.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Now you are able to hear me properly? You are able to hear me now? I think it's good only. Audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to hear me now or not? For that also, you people will not answer.
Ma'am, echo is there.
I am able to hear my voice from the other system very good only.
Ma'am, your voice, ma'am.
Okay, I will do my side thing. Okay, very well. Okay, it's your duty to listen or not listen. That I don't care. So there are two methods in which we can calculate e power 80. One by using matrix exponential and the other by using Laplace transform. The two problems that I will solve. The formula I will tell you. So this is how to calculate e power 80 by means of matrix exponential. So the
Excuse me,
formula you
ma'am.
make a note. E power 80 is equal to I. I is the identity matrix, that is unity matrix. A is the system matrix. So you have to substitute I and A in the given formula. They will be giving you A matrix or they will be giving you a state space model. So with the help of which you will be asked to calculate state transition matrix. So the formula is like this. So you need to calculate e power 80 by matrix exponential method. Second method is by using Laplace transform method. So Laplace transform method is by using this formula. L inverse of Si minus A inverse. This is by using Laplace transform technique. So two methods you will be having. One by using matrix exponential and the other one by using your Laplace transform. So let's solve the problems.
Ma'am, can you mute one device, ma'am, because that amplification beep 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 like that it is coming, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If the screen is visible, but from my side, the other system is not showing the screen. You understood the two methods, or you did not hear it out? Only then I will be able to adjust myself. Without knowing the techniques, I cannot directly jump into the problem.
Ma'am, please repeat once again, ma'am. I think there is a network problem from your side.
But you are able to see the screen now.
No, ma'am. Now only I am able to see.
Okay. Okay, in short, I will tell you e power at is the state transition matrix that can also be represented as phi of t. Okay, e power at or phi of t is your state transition matrix. You are able to see now the markings that I am making.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then properties you make a note. Okay, maybe it will be asked either in 2 mark question or MCQs. Okay. Then the two methods are computation of e power at by using matrix exponential and using Laplace transform. So two formulae is there that you have to remember. Right. So what are the two methods? Tell me. First method is matrix exponential method. Second method is by using Laplace transform. Okay, so the formula you make a note. Right, so this is the formula for e power at 1 plus or I plus at plus 1 by 2 factorial a square t square plus 1 by 3 factorial a cube t cube plus 1 by will go on. So e power at is the one that you want to determine. So in the problem they will give you a, that is system matrix or state space model they will give you, from which you will be substituting a in this given formula. I as usual is nothing but id, that is identity matrix or unit matrix. So this is the formula with the help of which you will be able to calculate e power at by using matrix exponential method. The next thing is by using inverse Laplace transform. So this equation will be calculating e power at. So that is by computation of e power at by Laplace transform technique. So either way you can obtain the answer. So this whole thing is nothing but solution of state equation. This is how we will be getting solution of state equation. X of t is equal to e power at into x of naught. So x of naught means the state of the variable at time t is equal to 0. How it is varying to the status at t is driven by the state transition matrix. Okay, so that's why it is called a state transition matrix. So now you understood what are the two methods. Or still there is a problem. All other times it's okay if you are keeping silent. Now I will not know what to do next because of this net problem. So what are the two methods you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the two methods?
Matrix exponential and Laplace transform.
Matrix exponential and Laplace transform. So you have noted on the formula, wa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again I will show you, note on the formula, then only you will be able to solve the problem. Okay, e power at is equal to I plus at plus 1 by 2 factorial a square t square plus 1 by 3 factorial a cube t cube, so on. So that is one formula, matrix exponential way of computation of state transition matrix. Next formula is L inverse of Si minus A inverse. Okay, this formula. Take down the two formula, then we'll proceed to solving problem. Have you taken down?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your first problem. Okay. So they have given what data in the question, and they've asked you to determine what. Okay. So they have given one A matrix. A matrix is nothing but system matrix. Directly they have given this A in the problem and they have asked you to determine E of t, AT by two methods. So you have to use mandatorily the matrix exponential method and the Laplace transform technique. Other hand, they will give you the state model x dot of t is equal to a x plus b u. They will give you this equation in the question, and you have to determine a from that, and then you have to find out e power a t. So in different ways they can pose the question. So now directly they have given the system matrix. So you have to use both the methods. So by matrix exponential method, the first method is e power at given by the standard formula I plus at plus 1 by 2 factorial a square t square, so on it will go. So I is nothing but unity matrix. So it will be 1 0 0 1 because it is 2 cross 2. It will be an identity matrix. A is directly given in the problem 0 1 minus 2 minus 3. Just you need to substitute that in the given formula and you have to obtain it. So in your lower classes you must have studied how to do matrix multiplication. So here you have to substitute only one A, but here you have to substitute 2 times A multiplied product. So in order to do that, you need to do A squared A dot A. So that is what they have did it here. So you know how to do matrix multiplication, no? So you will be multiplying this with this, and you will be writing it as minus 2. So that is how you will be multiplying. So if you do that multiplication, one sample I will do. So this one and this one you are going to multiply. So 0 into 0 is 0 and minus 2. You will sum it. The answer is minus 2 you have written here. Then again you will multiply this combination and sum it. So 0 and then minus or plus, minus. So minus 3. So this will be written second component. Then the same way you need to multiply these two combinations. You have to sum it up. Then these two you will be getting the product a square. That you need to have a cubed. So you will multiply this and a. Like this you will proceed. And you will be substituting the same in the given equation. Then you will be getting the transition matrix. But here in this case, this is after substitution of all the terms. This is your unity matrix, as I already told you. A squared, a cubed, so on. And all the things should be multiplied by the corresponding t. So if you are multiplying these two, you will be getting 0 t minus 2t minus 3t, like that. That will be your next step. Finally, the answer for the e power at value, that is state transition matrix, will be this one. And further simplification they have did it. I think it will be difficult for you to assume some things and subtract and sum. So if you are getting this answer, you stop with it, no problem with it. So this is the final solution of e power at that you got by substituting in this formula. Now I will tell you how they have further simplified. They have obtained e power t, e power minus 2t, 2 power e into e minus t. Then they have used this combination and they have rewritten the answer like this in terms of all these parameters. That you have to do assumption by trial and error only. You can do this final simplified answer. That is a problem when you are solving for e power et with the matrix exponential. So let us see what answer you are getting when you are solving the same with the Laplace transform. So what is the formula that you are having? L inverse of Si minus A inverse. This is a formula that you are going to use for calculating e power at by second method, that is inverse Laplace transform. So for that, the unknown parameters are again I is the matrix, identity matrix as usual. That A is the given value that is given in the problem. S you have to substitute as S only. Then by matrix methodology, you have to determine the inverse Laplace transform. So this is how you are substituting Si minus A. A is this one. I is the unity matrix and S you are substituting here. And as usual, you have to proceed with the multiplication. So if you multiply, it will become S 0, 0, S. Then you have to subtract that 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then if you do that, you will be getting S 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Then minus 2 you will get minus 3. S minus 3 you will get okay. So this is what you will get. S I minus A. So this formula. Then you have to take the inverse of it, and then finally Laplace inverse you will be taking. So inverse, how to take the inverse of a matrix? What is the method that you have used up in your lower class? Matrix inverse. You remember this formula? Cofactor of Si minus A inverse, sorry, transpose divided by determinant of Si minus A. Always I tell you, I will have no problem in not knowing whether you understood or not. I will simply take class and I will go off. Okay, the defaulters will be you only. Okay, so if you want to understand it better, if you want me to repeat things, you are to tell me. Otherwise, it's not the problem from my side. I am not going to suffer. Always I tell you this thing. I am asking you a very simple question only. Always in every class, I am not torturing you with asking unknown things. Still, if you are not giving me answer, then problem is on your side only. I am asking you a simple question whether you know how to solve the inverse of a matrix. That is the thing that I am asking. If you know, you tell. Otherwise, I don't know. You tell me the formula. I have to tell.
We know, ma'am.
What? Somebody told me something.
Ma'am, we know to find inverse of matrix.
Why all people are leaving the meeting? Still, there is problem in audio or video.
No, ma'am.
Because I have kept my speaker very low, I am not able to hear what people are telling in response.
You are audible only.
I am audible or not audible?
Audible.
See, because there is some problem from morning. Okay, I am not sure. My net connect is showing full strength. Okay, but still there is some problem in my voice delaying. But the presentation I am seeing in my other system. Your voice I am getting in a delayed manner. I think my problem or net problem or beat problem, I don't know. So you understood the derivation part or not? That is what I want to know. You know the
Yes, ma'am.
formula cofactor of Si minus A transpose divided by determinant of Si minus A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how will you find the determinant? Determinant is easy for you to find. So the determinant of this you will be finding out Si minus A. So S into S plus 3, then minus of minus 1 into 2 you will get. So this is your determinant. Next you have to find cofactor of Si minus A transpose. So how will you proceed for that? This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So finding the cofactor and taking the transpose is easy. when compared to a higher order matrix. So this is my determinant that I obtained. Next thing is I need to find out the cofactor of Si minus A. So this is my Si minus A matrix for which I have to take the transpose. Just I will be reversing this position and then I will be reversing the signs. Okay, that way I will be obtaining transpose. Do you remember that one or not from maths class?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing only. Again, I'm telling you how to take the transpose. You have to reverse the location of these two. Okay, so yes. So S plus 3 will come here, S will come here. Then you have to retain the terms, but signs you have to change in the other two diagonal elements. Okay, so sign here I am changing. So that is how I will be taking the transpose. Okay, like this. I am converting this to my transpose. So I will substitute that in the formula. So you know that this is Si minus A inverse. By using the formula cofactor of Si minus A transpose divided by determinant of Si minus A. Then I have to multiply as usual the two elements. Then I have to take the inverse Laplace transform. So in order to take the inverse Laplace transform, I have to take partial fraction expansion. Okay, so I have to multiply these two. So if I multiply, I will be getting this matrix. This I will close class. I think it's better for today. So then I have to take partial fraction expansion. Okay, so partial fraction expansion let me show here. You know how to take partial fraction expansion. We have done it numerous times. So for each and every term, you have to take partial fraction expansion. Then you need to find A constants, B constants for all the terms. Then you have to take inverse Laplace transform for each and every term. So A1 and B1 for the first term is 2 and minus 1. So you know the procedure how to take partial fraction expansion, and then you substitute it in the given equation. Then you have to take Laplace transform. So this is the constant A1, B1, A2, B3. All these things we have determined by partial fraction expansion only. So final step you have to take inverse Laplace transform. Okay, you know how to take inverse Laplace transform for the first term if you are taking it. 1 divided by S plus A format only. So e power minus AT will be the answer. So 2 into e power minus t minus e power minus 2t. Which should be a first term. So if you take inverse Laplace transform of the second set, you will be getting e power minus t minus e power minus 2t. So that is inverse Laplace transform of the second term. For this term, it will be 2 e power minus t plus 2 e power minus 2t. Like that, you will be taking inverse Laplace transform. So this will be your answer as per the second method. So first method, you are doing some extra simplification to get the same answer. That's all. Okay, but for that, you have to assume some values. Like this e power minus t, you are finding out e power minus 2t, you are finding out, then you are finding the sum and subtraction between these two terms by trial and error, and you are substituting the answer. That's all. But whatever may be the method, the final answer should be always the same. Okay, so this is how you will be calculating the state transition matrix by the two methods. One more problem. These are the two problems that came in the previous university question paper. So they have given two matrices, okay, A1 and A2. If they have given two matrices, how to calculate the state transition matrix is the question. So for that, the standard formula as per the property is this one. We have discussed three properties. So as per the last property, e power at is equal to e power a1 plus a2t, and you have to multiply the individual values of transition matrix. That's all. That is the procedure, answer or solution. So as usual procedure, here they have not specified that you have to mandatorily apply the two methods. Any method you can employ. Since inverse Laplace transform technique is easy, so you are going by inverse Laplace transform technique, that is by L inverse of Si minus A inverse. This formula you are using second method. So you know the usual procedure. Yes, you are retaining this is your unity matrix and given value of A1. And the same procedure you have to do for A2 also. Then you have to multiply these two matrices. Finally, you will be getting e power 80 together. This is by one property only. So try to solve this problem and tell me the answer. I am not going to tell the answer. You try to solve the problem and tell me. It's better that I remain silent. I will pick out one particular person and I will ask you the answer.
Ma'am, can you
Can I do what?
show the
Huh?
ma'am?
I have to tell you the procedure again.
No, ma'am.
No.
Just that part, ma'am.
Which part?
Two, ma'am. Method two, ma'am.
Method 2, you try out and tell me the answer. You are having some doubts in method 2.
No, ma'am. Previous question after in the previous question, ma'am. After finding a determinant, ma'am, what it was done. Can you just scroll up? Scroll
Cofactor
up,
of
ma'am.
cofactor of Si minus A transpose
By
divided by
determinant of Si
determinant.
minus A. Yes, ma'am. After that,
Determinant, that is your phi of S. Okay. Then you have to take partial fraction expansion. Okay, partial fraction expansion. Again, I will show you. So this you have did it. Then you have to take partial fraction expansion for all the four terms. Understood? This is the final product. Okay, for this. Then you have to take partial fraction expansion for each and every term. You have to take partial fraction expansion. So there will be four set of constants that you need to determine. Then finally you have to take inverse Laplace transform. Understood, Akshat?
yes, ma'am.
Do it and tell me the answer. Finally, I will pick out one person and I will ask you the answer. All the others you understood how to derive compute transition matrix. This is an important one part of problem that might come from this section. Easy only. You have understood it properly. What about Aniket, Aditi, Ajay? You understood Angraj, Aniket Das, Ansha. Aniket, Aditi,
Yes,
people are not
ma'am.
able to hear me. You understood how to proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Aniket, Ajay, Angraj, Aniket Das? You people are there in the class or you left somewhere? Or my voice is not coming to you properly?
I'm audible, ma'am.
Then are you trying out the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Bharati, Binda, Deepa Lakshmi, Devandal trying out the problem, you understood or not? out of the 10 people that I am questioning, only 1 or 2 people are responding to me. I don't know what happened to the other people in class.
Trying, ma'am. Trying, ma'am.
Desh, Bhardwaj, Muzaffar, Moham Kumar, Mohit, Mukul Patel, people are
Yes,
trying
ma'am.
the answer.
No, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Network
You
issue.
people understood. In case if you people
Yes,
have not
ma'am.
understood, you ask me. Because only up to these 2 problems I will solve in this topic. Next, I will move on to the next part of the section.
Understand, ma'am.
Ma'am, today only you will teach the next part, ma'am.
Today, I will teach what?
No, ma'am, not no, ma'am. Like I'm telling today, don't teach, ma'am. Like we are doing this one only, ma'am. Like I cannot say I've understood fully, ma'am. I'm doing, ma'am. If I will not able to do at some point, I'll tell. I'll ask.
But problem procedure you understood. 2 methods.
Yes, ma'am. I've solved
Constant.
till determinant, ma'am. After that, I will find that ratio cofactors are by determinant and then partial fraction.
What about Shivam, Shalab, in the middle, Satvik, Raj, Pushpesh, Purushottam? You grasp the concept? What to do if you have been asked to determine the state transition? You understood, people? Because there is some problem in the net. I don't know what the connection is there. My signal strength is full.
Yes, ma'am. Bhardwaj understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Only Bharadwaj, Akshar, Aditi, something. Okay, if you people try out, if you have finished trying out, at least will you be able to tell me what is e power a1t? 2 cross 2 matrix is easy only. Sigma 0, 0, sigma. So I'll try to do it in so a1 is sigma 0, 0, sigma. Okay, so they have asked you to find e power a1t. First, let me finish e power a1t. So Si minus a I have to find first. So S1001 minus sigma 00 sigma, like that you have to put. So if I multiply these two, I drop it here. S00 S I will get minus sigma 00 sigma I will get 0, then 0 S minus sigma. So this is my okay. And the formula for taking inverse is inverse I want, so cofactor of Si minus A, the transpose divided by determinant of Si minus A I will take. So what is the determinant? I think 2 is S minus sigma the whole square.
Ma'am, some sound is coming from your voice.
Okay, with this we will wind up the class. I don't think anything
Ma'am,
is
that
going to come in the
amplification
next
sound
class.
is coming, ma'am. That comes
Yeah,
from
yeah, so many
microphone.
problems are there. Okay, with this I'll wind up. I'm hoping all of you understood how to proceed. Suppose if you people did not understood, I will solve the same problem or another problem in the next class when everything is okay. Okay.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
I'm closing class, so you can discuss. I'm hoping all of you understood two
Yes,
methods.
ma'am.
Very easy type of problem only. All can leave.